up, so I don't know if you're going to be able to hear me very well. But here we are on another beach. That way leads towards the town where I'm from. And this way, woo, fast turn, slow. And this way leads to the place where I grew up. You can't really tell. There's a fish plant and everything there. Way over there where those two long towers are. Beautiful. Okay, well, we're going hunting for some sea glass now. Stay tuned for the next video to see what I found. Bye, everyone. Found a pretty little frozen creek. Oh, time gone. Beautiful. That's just a little runoff. It goes right down to frozen most all the way. Beautiful day. Well, that's one lot of treasure. I'll have to find some more. Like I said, there's a lot of wind, so you might not be able to hear me very well, but there's my mother and my father coming up the beach with their little black bean dog. My dog's over there, and the other one's eating a stick. And the boyfriend. Constantly collected sea glass all her life ever since she was a little girl. Growing up so close to the ocean like this, it's kind of like everybody just does it. It's a perfect little escape. The road is like 2 minutes up there through the trees. Once you climb up there, there's a few little pine trees and evergreen trees. A little bit of brush, work your way through and you're to the road. Or you can go this way. On that hill way in the distance, there's a path that everyone takes in front of it. It's called the Cape Trail. It's beautiful up there. I'll take you guys there sometime. Well guys, it's midday, so we're gonna get our hole. My back is broken. I'm bending over and picking up all the sea glass. It's a beautiful, beautiful day spin.